Hi, I'm Andrea with Yarn Packin' Mama, and today I will be showing you how to do the half double crochet stitch. This is another basic stitch, and this is in US terms. So first we're going to start off with a slip knot on our hook, and then I'm going to chain up 10. You can chain up as many as you like. Now that I've got 10 chains, I'm going to work into the second chain from the hook. Remember, this loop doesn't count as a chain or a stitch. So we're going to count 1, 2, and since this is a half double crochet, we are going to yarn over, and 1, 2, chain, insert your hook, yarn over, and then you'll have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. From here, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. That's our first half double crochet stitch. Again, that's yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, drop a loop to have 3 loops on your hook, and then yarn over, draw through all 3. Again, that's yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop so that you have 3, and then from there you're going to yarn over and draw through all 3. So let's just work all the way to the end of the row for this, and we can discuss going to a second row. Okay, that's the end of our first row. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm not going to work a turning chain for this. You can, of course, if you like, but for this one, I'm not going to. I'm just going to yarn over and insert into my first stitch, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook, just like before. And the half double crochet is a great stitch. It's used in many techniques, specifically knit-like techniques, by which I mean the pattern or the fabric that is created looks more knit than crocheted. I'm just going to do a few more rows to build some height so that we can see what a half double crochet looks like when they're all worked together. And then one more just to give a good representation of this stitch. That's the end of the row. And as you can see, here's our half double crochet. Not quite as tall as a double crochet, but not as short as a single crochet either. It's right in between the two. If you like this tutorial, please come back for more. Thank you.